You know, there's a love-hate relationship with these Joby Gorillapods. You love them when they work and you hate them when they don't work. And I'm going to show you what I mean by don't work. Either these little arms get really weak or they do this. Pop right out. So if your Joby can't hold a camera anymore or your arm falls off, I'm going to show you the most simplest fix of all, and it doesn't involve glue. Check it out. So my little Joby stand right here, this one here actually died after 2 months. This was a gift from my son, and the leg popped off. And when the leg is in place, if you put some weight on the top, it just bends out because it can't support anything anymore. Or when I go to bend it manually, it falls off. Now, some people have glued these into place, which is an okay idea, but it really limits the capabilities of the Joby. So I'll show you the quickest fix of all. And the first thing you do is you grab yourself some elastics. Most times you just need 2. That's all it takes to fix it. So basically what we're going to do is, you see the problem is that there's no tension between here and here, and there's no tension around here. So by using elastics, we're going to recreate the tension. If you have an issue down lower in the leg and it's become loose, the same thing applies. You could just tighten up the tension between the legs and it will fix the problem. So all you do is, to get the elastic on nice and tight, at least for me, just bend your leg nice and close so the elastic doesn't have far to go. Bring it over. Start at the top part, get it in there nice and tight so it's around the first ring, really good. Twist, and now bring it to the part that you wish to fix, which is the lower part. All right, so when you're all done, it looks something like this. You can put as many elastics as you wish, or something else that does the same job, something that's really stretchy. And how does it work? Well, before I couldn't put anything heavy on top because it would just, the legs would bend out. So if I stick it like this, take a DSLR, put it on top, I can just put the legs out any way, shape I want, and it stays in place. So I'm happy with this. It's all good. Bend these down. Everything works as it was intended to work when it was brand new. Just move that around, push this out. There you can see it a little bit better over there. All right, so hope you enjoyed this tip. If you did, give the video a thumbs up, and thanks for watching.